Last time on Races to Places, Lyndon and Basil visited Agrabis Falls. This place is beautiful and so peaceful.
Another day in Africa. Good morning. It's time to go exploring. Beautiful. Where we're going, Namibia. Hello sir, how are you? Good, thanks. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot, yeah? Coming from Cape Town. Bike is from England. Basil just chilling outside the customs office there. So I'll just give you a little bit of a rundown of what we've had to do here. So I've just arrived at the Namibia border and the first thing you do is go to immigration. So immigration is in this building here. I went to immigration in there and then we had to pay the road fund duty there because I'm on a foreign bike, Basil bike. So pay this man for this bike, otherwise they won't let you go, and then go to customs in that building at the far end just to double check. There's actually nothing to do with Basil because I have a carnet for him, and because we're all in the same customs union, Namibia, Botswana, South Africa, Swaziland and Lesotho, when crossing between those borders you don't need to do anything customs wise with the bike. So only if it doesn't belong to you, you have to do some paperwork. So that's it, I think we've done everything and time to hit the road in Namibia. I got the roof on fire. Have a nice day, thank you. Whoa, it's hot. Well, another day in another country. Here we are in Namibia. Just crossed over the Orange River and I can't wait to go exploring around here. Lots and lots of dry riverbeds, canyons, beautiful scenery, sand dunes. I'm expecting it all here in Namibia.
Here we go, into Namibia.
So I just stopped here at the side of the road. I actually stopped for a pee, but I always have a glance over the bike while I stopped, and I just saw that one of the front fuel tanks was touching one of the bolts on the bash plate toolboxes, and it's because of the heat, and when the front fuel tanks are full they've expanded and gone bigger basically, and that means that it's sitting on it. Now the last thing you want out here in the middle of the desert is a busted fuel tank.
Looks like it's been a few years since there was life in this car.
On the road, all we've done is where these front fuel tanks sit on each side. There's just a little receiver there, and I've just packed it out with a 5mm rubber grommet just to lift the tanks up a little bit, stop them chafing on the bash plate.
Well, this is a pretty nice place with a scenic view to stop and make some adjustments to the fuel tank mounts. This is Fish River Canyon, which is located in the south of Namibia. It's the largest canyon in Africa, with measurements of 100 kilometres long, up to 27 kilometres wide and 550 metres deep in places. Wow.
Well, here we are just on the east rim of the Fish River Canyon, and the sun's just about to go down, which makes it quite hard to film because it's shining so bright over there. Yeah, it's a spectacular place to come and just have a ride around and explore. It's a long way down there. Basil bike's doing good.
Now this looks a really nice place to get some lunch.
Well, we just called in at the Canyon Roadhouse this morning to get some paperwork done and submit my visa application for Angola. The plan is to go through Namibia and into Angola, but first I need to get a visa. I'm cutting it tight because I'm going to be there in about 10 days time, but hopefully the application's gone in. Managed to get some Wi-Fi here.
Looks like we're in the middle of a sandstorm here. Let's be careful out there.
So today I really wanted to go and explore Kolmanskop, this old abandoned town here. It's called a lost town. It's all like sands covering all the buildings, but the weather is so bad, and you know, it's a typical tourist attraction where there's set times, and me being me, I just rock up whenever I arrive, and it's not open, so unauthorized admission out of hours. And to be honest, the weather is so bad you can't really do anything. It's hard to film, the wind's just horrendous, there's sand everywhere, and there's nowhere to camp here, so I'm just gonna head back and continue my journey north. Sometimes it's just not meant to be. 300 kilometers wasted. Well, I suppose I got some photos and a little bit of video, but wow. Woo! Well, since I was down here, I thought I'd just visit the town of Uderitz, which is right on the coast of Namibia, but the wind is so strong and it's just a port town, so not something I'm really interested in, if I'm honest. So I'm just gonna head back to the house and get something to eat, and then I'm gonna hit the road north to the good stuff. Try again, Basil.
Now this is going to be good. Lyndon and Basil are heading to Dune 7.
Beautiful colours this morning. The orange sand, the green grass, and the brown mountains and rocks. Well, I just stopped to film these massive birds' nests. You see them quite a lot in South Africa and also here in Namibia, but the time that it must take for them to build these nests and the weight of it. You see them hanging off telegraph wires, like literally just the wires, not even the pole. I've seen one just in the middle of a wire, just hanging there, swinging in the wind. Really quite spectacular. I'd love to see what it's actually like inside. Dune 7. Interesting. Races to Places wouldn't be complete without a Dune 7, or at least some dunes, would it? Let's go check it out.
Right, we're going to play a little game now. How far do you think Basil and Lyndon can get up the dune? Now Dune 7 has been measured at 1,256 feet, or 383 metres for all those of you on the metric system. It is named Dune 7 because it's the 7th dune you'll encounter after crossing the river Sarshab. What an amazing place! It's truly breathtaking.
Just thought I'd share a video from up here on the top of Dune 7, or Dune 2 actually, next to Dune 7, here in Namibia. Awesome day, awesome weather and temperature here.
But remember, having a motorcycle is a cool thing, but you can still experience places like these via other methods of travel, like even walking as these people here. Next time on Races to Places, we're riding through a marble mine.
Hi everyone, I just want to say a massive thank you to you all for watching my media and for all the great comments that I receive every single day. Please keep them coming. I'm just going to share with you my Patreon page. Patreon is a membership-based platform that gives creators like me the opportunity to continue to create the media that you love to watch. For just a few dollars a month, I can give you priority viewing, I can give you special features, Informative posts about the things that you want to know. It creates a platform for interaction between you, the viewer, and me, the creator. Now, a few dollars a month might not seem like a lot to you, but for me, collectively, it makes a huge difference. So please check out the link at the bottom of the page, and I appreciate any contribution you can make to make my job sustainable. In return for that, I promise to keep creating great media that you love, dreaming up new projects, filming it and sharing it with you all. Thanks.